no dead hybrids at the founders party.
No, I told Klaus to get his hybrids out of town. He didn't listen, so now I'm saying it louder.
You don't think there's 10 more where that came from? And if you kill them, Klaus won't make 20 more? Have you forgotten about Elena's part in all this? Or do you not care if she's a human blood bag for the rest of her life?
No, protecting Elena is your problem now. See, I'm not compelled by Klaus to do that anymore.
Don't give me that no humanity crap. You can't just flip your switch. Your switch is fried, Stefan, just like your brain. You want to take Klaus, you want to beat the villain, you've got to be smarter.
No, to beat the villain, Damon, you have to be the better villain.